I mean, being a professional, I can hear it though, but it ain't nothing to take your audio out. It's just, it's a little but other than that, the audio is 10.8 there, 410.
Yeah, 410 on that. Yeah, 410 on that. Boy, I got a video rolling now. Sound like stereo, man. Sounds good. It must be the speaker I got. Boy, it sounds good. Hey, Blackbird. It must be the speaker. It's a little Samsung bookshelf speaker. Hey, Blackbird. Oh, monkey right back, right?
No, that ain't what it is. What it is, I am the big man on the west side of New Orleans. That's what it is, though. I agree, Mike. The harm is there, though, but the deal is, the big man got to represent the west side of the best side of New Orleans. He got South Superior. Oh, I agree, Monkey. The big man is right back there. Big 'em.
410. Sounded good. That's for sure. Yeah, I don't know if this radio's got a hum. It might have some hum outside. I have no idea. I don't know. This is that Cobra 1000 350. This is a 350 radio. Cobra 1000. I got the monkey in the bedroom now. I decided to take the monkey in the bedroom. A Blackbird. Monkey go.
Man, nothing like a bedroom sound, that monkey. I do it all the fucking time, man. Not like a bedroom sound. You can look at the 1 out monster. Play with this sweet thing. It's all a bedroom sound. Hey, monkey. You need it? That bedroom in that night, that monkey, can you dig it out? Very, 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 very.